Okay, this is day one of the Raptor rehab. We're going to do a quick walkthrough and we're going to take a look and see what we have. So this is part of the inspection process. You can see right here where the light is. I got some rust issues, general rust issues everywhere actually. The top of the shock tower. You know, the front of it's actually not too bad, but pretty much everything is rusted. Even the brakes look rusted, but they got like 30 seconds of pad on, so somebody must have just changed those as well. So the other side looks similar. Again, there's a lot of rust up in there. We'll deal with that later, probably when we're going to go look at rebuilding the shocks. And, obviously the shocks don't look the best, probably the original, but we'll tackle that some other day. Okay, why I have the air filter and coolant overflow out. Did just want to look down inside here. You can kind of pretty much see there's a lot of rust. So that's not boding real well. The top of that shock mount is really rusty. We'll tackle that when we start looking at the shocks, the steering knuckle, and that doesn't look so great either. But like I said, we'll kind of tackle these one at a time, but right now we're just doing the radiator coolant. So I'll touch base when I get it back installed. Thanks. Welcome back to Raptor, PA Raptor Rehab. The wife asked me about testing the four-wheel drive out, which I did not do, and I have my super attentive helper here. He's going to go up this hill here in two-wheel drive. We pretty much know it doesn't work because he just tried it, but I'm going to have him do two-wheel drive right now. So,
ready?
Give it a roar, brother. All right.
Ooh.
All right, so two-wheel drive didn't work at all. We got about 10 feet and started spinning. So now we're going to try four-wheel drive high. And that's the bank he's trying to go up, not a very steep bank.
All right, we're in four high.
Four high. Don't mind the racket. So now I'm just going to have him come backwards. We're going to try four-wheel drive low. Now he's going to make a pass and we're going to just double check four-wheel drive low and make sure that works. So, so far so good. So my assumption would be that if high works, low should work as well. Got a couple rattles in there, but we'll see how she does on four-wheel drive low now.
We gotta go neutral for this. Four-wheel drive low, enable.
Okay.
All right.
Here we go.
Go on forward.
Four-wheel drive low. Actually up over the same path. So another successful pass. So the good news is it looks like four-wheel drive works. The differential disconnect. Oh, now we're going up the bigger hill. That's substantially steeper. So far so good. Looks like we have success. So this is a very wet day. Grass or weeds are super slippery, but it looks like the Raptor handled it with no problems. So we can check that off the list, that the four-wheel drive and differentials all good. No reason to buy that button at this point. It appears to be working. So back at you with the next list of the item to check out, which is definitely going to be that roof. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.